Hi guys, welcome to the system. Let's take a look where we are. New fetch. We're on Archcraft, right? I keep saying somewhere February, March 2022. I saw the light. Guys, it's all ArcoLinux, right? So Garuda and everywhere. Choose what feels good for you, what works for your system. In the end, learn from ArcoLinux. This morning somebody said on YouTube, Eric, can we build ArcoLinux ISO on Archcraft? I say, yes, of course, it's Arch. Well, and you need, of course, the Arch ISO and our scripts, obviously. So we're on Archcraft, and maybe you're wondering, hey, what's all that? So yes, the ATT is present. And what you do is you take control over the system and say, I want to have, in this case, CHDWM. So auto start, design, desktop, it's all available. So I choose something, right? You choose what you like, and then you have your well, desktop, in this case CHDWM. Can we build ArcoLinux ISO on this Archcraft system? So I've updated the system, so update is not working, so sudo pacman -syyU is working. And you see that these guys are at the bottom. I just made a video about explaining the ArcoLinux spices, and ArcoLinux puts these three at the top. So like Archcraft, here they're at the bottom, right? It's a choice, but it matters, this choice. So watch the video. Can we build Ctrl-Alt-F? Let's see if Firefox is installed. Can we build ArcoLinux B? B stands for building. Yes, B stands for building. It's learning phases we go through, so it's an option to follow this more structured through phase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and even 7. So here we start to build our own ISO. Where can we build our own ISO? We can build it on ArcoLinux, on ArchLinux, on DevOS, Reborn OS, Garuda Linux. Archcraft is not there. Okay, I'll add it. Maybe it works. What shall we build? Right? This is one of the most interesting things, but this requires knowledge. You should be 2-3 years on Arch or ArcoLinux or anything Arch, because it requires you to know services, enable services. Do you need it? Don't you need it? Display managers, what's all about that? Printing, Bluetooth. It's a lot of knowledge you have to have already. But this is just about building. So can you build? If I copy paste Plasma or I copy paste this, it's a copy paste, right? It's the workflow thing. So Control C, let's go to a different desktop. Super Shift Enter. I rather like to work on the desktop itself. Open terminal here, Control Shift V, and that's an O, enter. If it is all in, you go to ArcoLinux D ISO, you go to installation scripts, and you type 40. That's it, right? That's it. You can do more, but that's it. So it's gonna say, hey, what's this? You need to install the correct version of Arch ISO. Sudo downgrade Archo is also an option. So Arch ISO was not installed. What he's going to do is going to install Arch ISO 691, and the build scripts have been built for 691. Check. And on it goes, getting all the stuff from our repo, right? If our repo is not present, that's an important little bit there. I don't think npacman is available, so we type it long nano etc pacman.conf. That's basically, whoa, that's basically our thing, right? So it's here. ArcoLinux repo is here. The ArcoLinux Spices application has been we downloaded it from arcolinux.info and we installed it and we ran it, and voila, we've got our keys in and we've got our repos in, and he knows what to get where. So the Spices tool has been covered, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's on the very first page on the home information of ArcoLinux. All the way down, it will stay there till eternity. Install our ArcoLinux packages on any ArcoLinux based distro. Download here. Download button. I think it has been downloaded now 40,000 times already. okay, in 5 years, of course. So you have everything available. You have the ArcoLinux repos, the keys, the repos, and now the scripts, Arch ISO, and it's building. So basically, I can go in here in this website. Where was it? It's gone, right? In the ArcoLinux B website, and tell them up here, Archcraft is possible. I thought I had mentioned that already, but it seems I didn't. So let's pause the video here. In the meantime, I'll put Archcraft on there. Voila, went to the website, refresh. Archcraft is now included, right? If you have the same question as the user here, so you ask me, Eric, is it possible? I'll test it out and see if it works. So this is 2023, January, Archcraft worked then. Pausing again. Voila, and there we are. We got ourselves an ArcoLinux D 230202. So we release this ISO in 1 week, but this is ArcoLinux. You can build it any second of the day, right? Get the scripts, run it, /40, stop, walk away, have a coffee, come back, and there you have an ISO. Where is it? In the ArcoLinux D build, everything is well, all the files that are needed to actually basically create this, the Arch ISO root file system. This is your future system, and it's gonna go on a ISO, which is then coming in here. So here we have the ISO, that's the one you put in VirtualBox, try it out. And here are some checksums and all that. This is also interesting. What's on the ISO, right? What did he do? He added 737 packages on it. And here's some checksums again, all different kind of things. All right, so yes, you can install, well, you can build ArcoLinux ISOs. I'm not gonna test all 40 ISOs, you can. This is one test, and it will be the same for all the others, right? So ArcoLinux can be built on Archcraft. All right, cheers.